Making a Russian Scion to hang in our bee yard. I really hope you enjoy these beekeeping videos. Stay tuned for more. Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. So I have this lid to a bucket. This is for a Russian Scion. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know. I have taken, it was white. I have painted it black. I have this hook that I have drilled a hole, put in through it, pretty sturdy. I have a board that is 12 inches long because my bucket is 14 inches deep and I want to be able to put this down in my bucket. So think nesting dolls, the Russian nesting dolls. So I pre-drilled it, and this is not an exact science. So all right, so once that is all the way down on there, you'll be able to hang this in the tree, paint it just like I did before with the beeswax. That thick coating of beeswax is going to help draw the bees in, a little lemongrass. Some propulsus mixture, and hang it from a rope, ideally about 15 feet up, just like we did with the other swarm trap. Hang it just like this, beeswax all covering this board. If there's a swarm in the area, they're going to come to this board. They're going to have rain protection. They're going to be here. They're going to stay a couple, 3 days. You'll have a chance to see them. This is especially for your own bee yard type of thing. Not what like setting up elsewhere, but in the bee yard. So you hang that up 15 feet from the tree. Then swarm gets on it. You lower the rope down carefully. Put this whole thing right in your bucket. Take them over to your bee yard where you want to install them. Easy peasy, Russian Scion. I hope this helps somebody. Again, all recycled materials except the hook, which was under $2 at the. It's a 5/16 leg screw with eye. Hardware. There you have it. Thank you. Have a great day, Rebel Canners. Stay tuned for the bloopers at the end. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Many more episodes in our gardening series and our canning series, as well as wild foraging to come. Shh. Okay, quiet now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, Rebel Canners. Like, subscribe.